Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video we will be learning how to use a tracking feature in Capcut video editing tool. So I have a Capcut open already and you can see here the tracking. It will track any kind of a motion. So I will walk through step by step how you can use tracking feature. Before we start video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, click on the subscribe button, then click on the ring bell button so you don't miss any video from my channel. I have a lot of video already posted on my YouTube channel about Capcut, how to edit from basic to advanced. So this is basically advanced feature for tracking. Now let's get into the video and see how you can use tracking feature in Capcut. First I have my clip here already in canvas. If you don't know how to get it, just click on import and you will be bringing one of the clip here. From here we're gonna drag and drop here in our library. We are going to work. This clip is about like 30-40 seconds. We don't need it that longer. It's gonna take a long time to process. I'm just gonna show. We're gonna cut and make a clip smaller. I'm gonna show you the simple clip right now. You can see there's two person on the motorcycle and we are going to use some kind of emoji to track their face. So here, like say I don't want to show the face on the person sitting behind, so I'm going to click on stickers. I'm going to click on emojis. You can use any. I'm going to use this one. So since we're going to show face at all, we're going to extend the emoji timeline to the clip, and you can see we're going to cover from start to finish. Now we will click on the emoji. We're going to click on tracking and you will see there's something pop up here. I'm going to put here top of the face or person you want to, or anything. You can also do the tracking with the text. You can do fine tune. Then we're going to click and we're going to put emoji top of the head. You can fine tune. Now we're going to click start and it's gonna process. It's basically processing the video, try to manage the tracking with the motion. So we're gonna leave it like that. Just wait a little bit until it's finished. So now our tracking is done already. So let's say how it look like. We're gonna see this emoji gonna follow the person sitting behind on her head. So that's the way you can use tracking, motion tracking. I'm also going to show you another thing you can do a lot. If you already understand, you can just pause the video and you can start working, but I'm going to use another thing here. You're going to do the text and same thing, the text I want to follow, and on the text you can write down anything. I'm going to write down hello. You can size. We're gonna work a little bit more here. So we're gonna put hello over here. Now we're gonna click here again and tracking. You can do the motion again and you will see another thing pop up. Now we're gonna put on the person's head and then hello, and now we can start. So now hello will be following the person riding the motorcycle at front. You're gonna take same process. You can do anything. If you have any video you want to just navigate to home, car, you want to make advertising, something, you can do anything. I just choose that simple video, but you can do with any video using the tracking. You can track image with any kind of motion. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video. That's the final result.